It's an exciting time in the economy right now, and it is a perfect time to be an entrepreneur, to be out there carving your own path. But there are no shortcuts. You have to educate yourself. You have to become a specialist. You need to pick a system, pick a field, pick some sort of a trade to become an expert at. You want to be a specialist. The specialists are the ones who ultimately create the most success. There's a lot of analysis paralysis out there. There's a lot of different things you can do, a lot of different ways you can make money, from real estate to stocks to cryptocurrencies to business, a lot of different things you can do. The key is pick one that interests you, pick one that you are really interested in, that you will study, and that you will do the work that's required to educate yourself, to become a professional, become a specialist, to have the knowledge, skills, and abilities that you need to be successful in that space, and to be successful doing what it is you want to do. And then get out there and apply that knowledge. Knowledge alone is not enough. You got to get out there and you have to apply it. So the key is, once you study something and you find something that speaks to you, something that you're interested in, passionate about, something that you really want to do, that you could study all day long every day, then that's a good indication that that might be a good space for you, a good strategy for you, system, whatever it is. It could be in any aspect of business or any type of business, or investing, whether it's real estate, stocks, cryptocurrencies, whatever it is. Find what speaks to you at your core, that you're interested in, that you can study all day, every day. Learn everything there is to know about it, the market, the trends, the cycles. Become an expert, a specialist, and then get out there and apply that knowledge. Just take that first step. Once you take the first step, the next step becomes easier. And it seems like sometimes that it's just a long way off, or that it's way overcomplicated and just too many things, whatever it is, to enter that business or that space. But the key is to start small, start somewhere. And if you have the ability to start big, then start big. So start where you can start. Start with what you're able to start with. But the key is you got to start. So you got to stop at some point. You've got to stop the analysis and put that knowledge, that skill set into action, and take action, and continue to take action, and get out there and do it. And you got to do the work that's required. A lot of times people just don't want to do the work that's required to prepare themselves for what it is that they want to do ultimately. A lot of people say, yeah, I'd love to be rich, I'd love to be a millionaire, but do you really want to be that? Do you really want to achieve success, achieve financial independence, to achieve wealth, which is basically being able to own your own time, do whatever it is you want to do, call your own shots? If that's what you really want, then you will do what it takes to get there. You will put the time in, put the study in, educate yourself, build your skill set, build your knowledge base, your abilities, so that you can get out there and use them and put them to work to ultimately achieve your goals. So think about that. Don't get stuck looking at all the different things you can do. Pick one that really speaks to you, become an expert at it, get out there and deploy that skill set, and you will get to where you want to be.